coolmoonbeat.com.
This is Dr. Ankur. Basically, I am an analytical chemist and I did my master's in chemistry and PhD in food chemistry from IIT Delhi.
Comes down to the subject of chemistry. There are mainly three branches: physical, inorganic and organic. But guess what? There is a fourth branch to chemistry: analytical chemistry. So sir, as I am here with you today, can you please brief us about what this branch of chemistry is?
Yes. So, analytical chemistry integrates all the branches of chemistry, including physical, organic and inorganic. So, in analytical chemistry, basically, it is the application of all the instruments and method to separate, quantify and identify the molecule or analyte of interest in a food matrix.
I am Vannego, PhD scholar at the Department of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences at NIFTA. I'm pursuing my PhD on the oxalate content of leafy vegetables like spinach, amaranth, colocasia, and Swiss chard. I am working here on HPLC to separate my component. HPLC is a very versatile and common technique.
Hello, myself Shivani. I am from Food Engineering Department. I am 4th year PhD scholar. Chromatography headspace technique for my research work for the qualitative analysis of different spices. I am using these techniques to assess the flavor profile. This facility to study the time temperature effect on different spices such as black pepper, ajwain, cumin for the qualitative purpose. Once I will get the qualitative analysis like how the flavor profile changes with respect to time temperature combination, then I will further go for the quantification.
So my question is, who and how can one avail the facility here in the laboratory?
Yes, our facility is available for all the students, including BTech, MTech, and PhD. But as you know that we have all the sophisticated analytical equipments, so that will be more beneficial for the PhD and MTech scholars.
So can you also brief us about the slot booking process?
Slot booking, yeah. So we have a very simple form, including the details. The scholar has to provide their details. Then the type of experiment they want to do, like if they want to use HPLC, then what is the compound they want to identify and what is the sample details. So these are the basic information which are required for the instrument.
Hello, I'm Simran. I am working as technical assistant in CIL lab. And right now, as you can see, this is gas chromatography, and it is one of the most advanced techniques. It is used for analyzing volatile compounds. This technique is used for the analysis of fatty acid profiling, like ethanol, methanol can also be utilized over it. Time, the sanitizers which we used can also be analyzed and detected over this machine. We are having 3 detectors here: FID, ECD and TCD. FID is basically used for hydrocarbon analysis, that is for fatty acids and residual solvents like ethanol, methanol, etc. And ECD is used for electronegative compounds, chlorinated compounds and pesticides.
As you see, this part of the experiment is performed for the extraction of the supernatant. The supernatant was extracted by the extraction process from the sample. After that, the supernatant is transferred to the vials with the help of the pipette. Pipettes are used to precisely measure and transfer the small amounts of liquids. Vials are the small containers which is used to hold the liquid samples for the analysis in the chromatography. After that, the vials will be further used for the chromatographic process.
Hello everyone, myself Ananya and I am PhD scholar in NIFTA. So we have different instruments in this CIL lab such as LCMS and HPLC. We have fluorescent HPLC and UV visible HPLC.
So this is UV visible high performance liquid chromatography, which is used for separation and quantification of different vitamins and polyphenols. So I am working on polyphenol estimation and vitamin D2 estimation through UV visible HPLC. As you can see, this is the whole instrumentation part of the HPLC, and these are the results for polyphenol estimation which we get through HPLC. Thank you.
सर जैसे आपने पूरा CIL के बारे में ओवरऑल लुक दे दिया, मतलब सर मैं देखता हूँ यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग्स होते हैं, चाहे CFRA में हो गया, पायलट प्लांट में हो गया, तो क्या अपना इस CIL के थ्रू भी कोई ट्रेनिंग्स होती है, जैसे PhD स्कॉलर का हो गया या फिर BTech MTech या किसी भी अन्य ब्रांच का स्टूडेंट हो गया, इस लैब के थ्रू वो कैसी फैसिलिटीज़ को अवेल कर सकता है?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन सक्षम। देखो हमारे यहाँ पे जो इक्विपमेंट्स है ऑब्वियसली उसके लिए ट्रेनिंग मस्ट है।
ओके,
सो हम लोग इंटरनल काफ़ी ट्रेनिंग्स करते ही हैं।
अच्छा,
उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम टाइम पे अपने स्कॉलर्स को मेल से करते रहते हैं।
मेल के थ्रू?
हाँ, मेल के थ्रू। सो
मेल की इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ पे मिलती है?
वो हमारे नोटिस बोर्ड पे भी है और सबके पास है, सभी HODs डीन के पास है। दैट इज CILLab.niftam@gmail.com।
अच्छा,
So,
जैसे कोई नया स्टूडेंट है और उसको इसके बारे में इन्फॉर्मेशन लेनी है और किसी से कनेक्ट नहीं है,
ओके,
तो वो फिर कैसे उसको कनेक्ट करना है?
उसको सिंपली एक काम करना है कि CILLab.niftam पे एक मेल ड्रॉप करना है।
ओके,
कि he want to know more about this lab or he want to take any particular training, so that is a single point contact.
ओके,
They have to just mail us and we are available.
ओके। और इससे चार्जेस वार्जेस लगता है सर?
No, actually ये हमारे स्कॉलर्स के लिए पूरी फैसिलिटी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है।
ओके, और अन्य जो बाहर से आते हैं?
बाहर के लिए अभी हमारे यहाँ पे जो CFRA हैं वहीं पे हम टेस्टिंग करते हैं।
अच्छा,
हाँ, ये हमारी डेडिकेटेड फैसिलिटी हमारे अपने जो MTech स्कॉलर्स है और जो हमारे PhD स्कॉलर्स हैं उनके लिए है।
ओके, बाहर के मतलब नहीं कर सकते?
नहीं,
सच।
जी।
तो सर बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली रिगार्डिंग CIL लैब। सबसे जो खास लैब माना जाए या फिर सबसे हाई रेटेड लैब माना जाए तो ये लैब हो सकता है।
ये
इन्फॉर्मेशन आने वाले हर उस स्टूडेंट, हर उस स्कॉलर के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी। तो थैंक यू सो मच सर,
थैंक यू,
इतना टाइम और इतना सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन देने के लिए।
थैंक यू सक्षम।
थैंक यू सो मच।
इनको वही बच्चे मिले
दोबारा के बाद क्या कुछ करें?
क्या बोलूँ मैं, मेरे को सच में नहीं होता है। मैं और क्या, तो ये काट देगा ना सब? ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा लेना।
ये वाली लाइन मत ऐड करियो, sophisticated instrumentation वाला। And the director behind the camera is helpful, and he is recording different videos of different labs, which is giving a exposure to the new students which are joining NIFTAM. So yeah, thank you Saksham. / Amrendra Tiwari.